Crovix Haven. Introducing automated bill enforcement and visitor pass restriction. Manual enforcement is now a thing of the past. With Crovix Haven, estate administrators can automatically restrict visitor pass generation for residents with unpaid bills. Residents can make payment instantly and regain access immediately. Administrators simply enable bill enforcement with a single toggle. Once activated, any resident with an outstanding balance cannot generate visitor passes until payment is completed. When a resident opens the mobile app, a scrolling notification displays any outstanding bills. If they attempt to generate a visitor pass, Crovix Haven automatically applies the billing policy and clearly explains the restriction. Residents can settle their bills instantly through our secure Paystack payment gateway. Once payment is confirmed, access is restored in real time. The resident can immediately generate visitor passes again. At the same time, a professional corporate receipt is generated automatically. Ideal for proof of payment, proof of address, and corporate accounting. Administrators receive payment notifications instantly. Every transaction is securely recorded, including the billing reference, payment status, and Paystack transaction fee. Payment records can be exported instantly in CSV format, making auditing and reconciliation fast and effortless. Complete transparency. Complete accountability. Crovix Haven brings billing, visitor management, and estate administration together in one intelligent platform, helping communities become safer, smarter, and better managed. Crovix Haven. Smart estates. Simplified. Stay connected.